What is going on, guys? It's Neil again. I'm here with the one and only Vanilla Rice. We actually finally got some more work done today. It's been a while since we've got to do anything on it. So let's just go over all the stuff that I got done today and how it's looking. I did have a little bit of a time lapse set up on that camera right there, but it didn't get most of it. It just got a little bit of the machining of, well, not the machining, smoothing off the head surface a little bit. But here, let me show you what all we actually got done today. It doesn't seem like much, but it's a lot of progress, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so first off, we got the timing belt cover, the water pump. I'll show you that in a minute, and all of the accessories removed. So basically this is going to allow us to change the timing belt a lot easier, make it entirely possible actually. Change some belts. We also did a little just sort of house cleaning around here and put some bolts back where they were supposed to be so we didn't lose them. If you can't tell, right there we got the deck surface all nice and clean and ready to accept the head. What we're probably going to end up doing is using the Felpro gasket that Tony actually gave me, and this comes on suggestion from a lot of DSMers, but I was able to talk to Jason Drew, who he has a channel on YouTube. I'll link to him somewhere over here, or if not, I'll put him at the end of the thing and put his link in the description. Really great guy, really knowledgeable about DSMs. Go check out his channel. He knows a lot more than I do, I promise you that. So here's all the tensioners and everything else. This is all going to be replaced. Where's my water pump at? Here's the water pump. Now, it's always good to do your water pump whenever you change your head gasket. Do anything that involves pulling the timing belt, because, I mean, let's see. That's definitely seen better days. It's rough. And I'm sure we could put it back on and it would have some more life in it. But while we've got everything taken apart, because of where the water pump is, I'm not going to take that risk. See, the water pump just sort of lives right down in here and is really difficult to get to because you got to pull the timing belt off and everything else. Got some beautiful unopened ARP bolts and studs boxes here, so that's definitely going to go on whenever we get this on. And once again, this is a fully machined head. I got to put everything back together on this once we put it back on the engine. And my beautiful valve cover here, which in the last video all I did was paint it black, but I went over it with a sanding wheel and really shined that up. I like that. I think that looks awesome. So that about does it for today's update of Vanilla Rice. I'm sorry that it's not anything world changing like it runs. I really wish that it could be. But with the progress that we're making, it should be this summer. So hopefully we can get everything hooked up, everything running. That new 16G turbo setup. I mean, there's just so much to do. It's kind of daunting, but I'm really glad I'm doing it because I'm learning so much. And I'm sorry I didn't have more today, but honestly, it was just, for the most part, an hour and a half of us trying to get that timing belt cover off. Because of the way that everything's situated, it was a little more difficult than I thought it would be. I didn't plan for it to take that long, but that's kind of how working on cars goes. Plan for an hour, but ends up taking 2 or 3. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Once again, I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading as much with Vanilla Rice. Oh, one more thing. The other day I came in here on some of my free time. I slapped on some Coney yellows. You can't see them back there, of course. On the back, I was able to get those done. I hadn't got the front done. I'm going to wait to put the fronts on until we get done with everything in that general area. So the KYBs that were on the car at first were just, they were done. They didn't have any sort of return whenever you compressed them. So I think that and the front ones are going to make a world of difference once we get this car started and running. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to keep seeing more of Vanilla Rice, subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me you want to see more of it. And you guys don't know it, but the comments, the likes, all that stuff that seems really sort of petty, it really helps the channel's statistics and helps make a little more money from AdSense, which the only money that I'm spending on this car out of my own money is stuff I get from YouTube. So this is a YouTube built car, and I think that's really cool. That about does it. I'm out of here. I gotta go hang out with my kid, so I've been working on this for hours. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon with hopefully the head actually on it being bolted down. I know it was a little bit of clickbait in the thumbnail, but I couldn't resist. It looks so good. It looks so good sitting on there. I'm so excited. I'm ready for that to happen. I'm rambling. Just bye. Click end this video. Why are you still here? I'm leaving. Bye.